Alright, so it's Wednesday morning. I just confirmed that I'm getting 3 chickens tonight. So, here we go, Colin. Remember, Colin, I do this because I love you. Alright, so I just pulled up at work. It is 7 a.m. So, Colin's surprise. They're gonna be chilling right here. I think they're okay. Let's give them some water though. See you soon. So, we're on our way to Colin's. The chickens stunk up the entire parking garage at my work. So, I can imagine what his apartment bathroom is gonna smell like. Colin's neighbor is outside. I was bringing the chickens in. So we're waiting on him to go back inside. Also, Colin, I'm sorry, the chickens are like soaking wet because they knocked over their water bowl. So, sorry about that. Hello?
How the fuck did you manage to do this?
Did I? What are you talking about?
How did you get chicken in my goddamn bathroom? And how do I get them out?
I don't know what you're talking about, dude.
Oh, you're such a goddamn liar. How do I get these chickens out? But they shit everywhere. How did you get them in? Did you make a copy of my key?
Possibly.
Oh, you bitch.
This has been a year in planning, Colin. It could have been a goat, but a goat chews on shit, so I didn't want to do a goat. And it was kind of hard to get a goat downtown.
You bought chickens for this.
Yeah, man. They're $8 a piece.
Oh my god. This is so bad, Blake.
What'd you think when you heard the chicken song?
thought maybe Megan was home and I didn't see her. And then I saw the sign, and I smelled it, and
They
I thought the
they smell so bad.
I thought the chickens were fake, Blake. And then I heard them chirp. They were chirping in my bathroom. There's chickens dying. I don't know what to fucking do with these chickens. What, you want me to put it on video so everyone can know?
Oh,
Or
no.
have you already done that?
You're on video right now, man. There's been video. I've had these chickens since Wednesday. Hey, at least it's cool outside. You can open the windows.
Blake, what do I do with the chickens when I get them outside, though?
Those are your chickens. Those are not my chickens. I do not know.
Who helped you in this? I know you had to have had some help. No.
This was me, baby.
Do you at least like the apartment? I mean, I know you haven't been here.
Yeah, man, it's really nice, actually. I felt really guilty putting those dirty, stinky chickens in there. And I was like, damn. The whole time I was feeling pretty bad about what was happening to you.
Oh, man.
But, yeah, make some videos, man. You know, upload something. Let me see the Let me see the aftermath. I've got pictures. There's gonna be a video going on Facebook later, so I mean, you might as well embrace it. I'm skipping the gym to edit it.
Okay.
All right, man. Enjoy your chickens.
Okay.